Hi Siddhi ji, how are you? And welcome back to Talk Through Thursday. How are you doing?
I'm very well, thank you. Good to see you and your bright smile.
Thank you so much. And would you be interested in playing Fashion Fantasy Playground? It's just a fun segment we're just evolving with.
Yeah, why not? Let's try it. Why not?
Thank you. So, this would be all about exploring your creative side, having a bit of fun, of course. And you just have to imagine you're in a playground designed just for fashion enthusiasts. So, you have to access any tool or resources or inspiration you can just dream of. Okay. So, shall we just dive in?
Yes, please. Let's do it.
Great. So imagine you're hosting a fashion show in a fantasy land of your choice, be it a magical kingdom or outer space or an underwater world. So what would the theme be for your show, and how would you just incorporate the elements of the world in your designs, of course?
Nice question. I've always been inspired by the movie Avatar. Maybe that could be the theme.
And that was
And
beautiful.
yeah, I would love to create something on that color story, something very sci-fi, some technology coming into clothing, and maybe clothing that changes colors. What about, this gown turning into 10 different colors, or
Wow.
maybe magically changing the embroidery position? So yeah, something like that. In a world where there are no limitation, I would love to try that. Yeah.
Or maybe just taking colors to the space because we can only see black or white there.
Yes. Why not? Why not?
Okay. Secondly, if you could just design a fashion item inspired by your favorite childhood memory, what would it be, and how would you bring that nostalgic touch to that design?
Wow. Favorite childhood memory. I would say I love eating cakes and pastries, yeah. So you talk about childhood. For me, the first image is me and my sister in a cake shop. So yes, taking those beautiful pastel colors, creating something very dreamy, romantic, beautiful. That would be the color story, and maybe going back to the vintage era where these colors were more evident, creating a line on those terms. Yeah, that would be fun.
Great. So now you picture yourself as a fashion superhero with a unique power related to design, of course. What would your power be, and how would you use it to revolutionize fashion industry, as we call it?
So it could be anything, right? I don't have to be practical about it.
No, it could be anything. You're a superhero after all.
Yeah, I mean, look at the traffic today. I would love to create a jacket where I can just wear my jacket and, Mapsankars can make you fly. I would just love to create something like that, right?
I think Marvels should connect with for that.
Happy to do that. Yeah.
So thank you so much for letting us step into your fashion fantasy playground, of course. And your answers have been incredible, unique, and just how you have a boundless creativity in you. That was amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me. I thoroughly enjoyed. Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.